The moment I stopped trying to learn AI and just started talking to it, everything changed. But getting to that moment took me 2 years. 2 years of bookmarking articles I never read and watching people talk about AI in a language I'd never be fluent in. Things never calmed down. And I almost missed the tool that changed how I run my entire business. I'm Sabrina Prouty. I spent 30 years inside Fortune 100 healthcare companies, leading transformation and simplifying complex systems. And I was terrified of AI. Not just unsure, but genuinely avoidant. I'd see an article about ChatGPT and feel something close to dread. I had built my professional identity around being the person who could hold complexity in her head. Somewhere underneath, I was afraid that if AI could do what I did, it meant something about my value. The thing that finally broke through wasn't a tutorial. It was a cabinet stain. I just typed my question into ChatGPT like I'd text a friend, and it answered me, specifically for my situation, in plain language. It didn't feel like technology. It felt like a conversation. After that, I started bringing it real things. My business strategy, my decisions, even my morning overwhelm. Every single time it met me where I was. Slowly the fear dissolved. AI wasn't going to replace what I brought. It was going to give me more room to bring it. Here's what I know now. You don't need to learn AI. You need to start talking to it. There's no prompt formula or prerequisite. Just start the conversation. That's what we do in the Sensible Practice community. We talk through this stuff in plain language. It's free and it's a genuinely good group. If you want to talk through where AI could make the biggest difference in your business, book a free discovery call. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.